Well, first let's talk about the musical notes. For that, I'm gonna ask you to memorize 2 strings and not even all the frets, from fret or 0 to 12. And so only 2, 0 to 12, you can make it. And we're not gonna be working on every single note. We're gonna be talking about the natural notes, meaning no sharps, no flats, just the natural, clean. After we find the natural notes, it's so easy to find the sharps. It's so easy to find the sharps and the flats, because if you want a sharp, you just go 1 fret ahead. If you want flat, you just go 1 fret behind. So it's very easy that way. So let's start with our string E. And I hope that by now you already know the tuning of each string. If you don't, let's get on it, okay? It's E, B, G, D, A, E. And we're gonna work on the top E, or I mean the low E. And when we memorize the notes for this E, while we in the same time we're gonna be memorizing the other E. Both E's will be the same, alright? So let's focus on the 6th string. First note is E, and the very first notes, they're all gonna be on the frets that are, and we find the odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, and 7. E, F, G, A, B. So 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. E, F, G, A, B. And the other 2 notes are going to be on fret 8 and 10. And fret 12 is going to be the same E. So E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. So 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. Simple to remember, right? 1, 3, 5, 7, F, G, A, B, then 8, 10, 12, C, D, E. We're stopping here at the 12th fret, because after the 12th, everything starts to repeat. So we're gonna have again. So if we see this as first again, we're gonna have F, G, A, B, C, D. Okay, so that's why we're stopping on the 12, because everything that goes after 12 is just a repetition of what we've seen before. All right, so take a look. E, we're gonna play 2 strings together. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Now if you want, let's say a G sharp, G on the 3rd, you just have to go 1 fret up. If you want G flat, just go on G and go 1 fret behind. And that is for every note. So sharp, you go up, flat, you go down. Cool? Very simple, right? So if you kind of follow the numbers and the frets and follow the dots here, and that's why the dots are there, so we can remember 3, 5, 7, 9, and then you don't need to keep on counting each and single one, right? 3, 5, 7, 9. And that will help you to memorize the notes as well. All right, I said we were going to memorize 2 strings. The next one is going to be the A string, the 5th